Welcome to BorderDrip USA, your trusted source for U.S. immigration news, policy updates, and visa insights. May 2025 Green Card Update, EB-1, EB-2, EB-3 breakdown. Today, we're covering the employment-based green card categories in the May 2025 Visa Bulletin, specifically EB-1, EB-2, and EB-3. Whether you're a professional worker, advanced degree holder, or skilled employee stuck in the backlog, this update is for you. We'll walk through the latest final action dates, highlight India and China's continued challenges, and explain what the data tells us about green card movement in the near future. Let's get started. What are EB-1, EB-2, and EB-3 visas? Let's begin with a quick refresher. EB-1, priority workers. This includes outstanding professors and researchers, multinational executives and managers, individuals with extraordinary ability. It's the fastest category and often stays current for most of the world, except India and China. EB-2, advanced degrees or exceptional ability. This category covers professionals with advanced degrees, master's or higher, exceptional ability in sciences, arts, or business. National interest waiver cases. Very popular, especially among tech workers, and heavily backlogged for India. EB-3, skilled workers, professionals, and other workers. Includes bachelor's degree holders, skilled tradespeople, some healthcare and technical workers, other workers, lower skilled roles. This is often a default route for employment-based immigrants, which makes it crowded and slow-moving. May 2025 final action dates, at a glance. Here's where things stand according to the official May 2025 Visa Bulletin from the U.S. Department of State. EB-1, all chargeability areas, current. China, November 8, 2022. India, February 15, 2022. No movement since April. EB-2, all chargeability areas, June 22, 2023. China, October 1, 2020. India, January 1, 2013. Right arrow India is now over 12 years behind. EB-3, all chargeability areas, January 1, 2023. China, November 1, 2020. India, April 15, 2013. India EB-3 has barely moved since early 2024. EB-3 other workers. All chargeability areas, May 22, 2021. China, April 1, 2017. India, April 15, 2013. China's other worker category remains stuck in 2017. Country-specific breakdown. Let's talk about what this means in practical terms. India, EB-2, stuck at January 1, 2013. EB-3, April 15, 2013. EB-1, February 15, 2022. That means if your employer-sponsored petition was filed after those dates, your green card is still years away. This is why many Indian applicants are trying to port from EB-3 to EB-2, exploring EB-1 through promotion, or even applying under the EB-5 investor category to bypass backlogs. China, EB-2, October 1, 2020. EB-3, November 1, 2020. EB-1, November 8, 2022. China's EB categories haven't moved much either, but they're slightly ahead of India. Rest of the world, all chargeability. EB-1 current. EB-2, June 22, 2023. EB-3, January 1, 2023. If you're not from India or China, you're likely current or close to current in most categories. That means you can adjust status now, provided your I-140 is approved. Why are these categories so stagnant? Let's get into the real reasons behind the backlog. 1. Annual limits plus per country caps. There are only about 140,000 employment-based green cards available annually, and no single country can receive more than 7% of that total. So even though India and China account for the majority of employer-sponsored petitions, they're subject to the same cap as smaller nations. Result? Massive queues. 2. COVID-era processing delays. USCIS and consulates still haven't fully recovered from the pandemic slowdown. Delayed interviews, I-140 approvals, and NVC processing are still affecting final action movement. 3. High demand from tech and STEM workers. India's tech sector feeds huge numbers of EB-2 and EB-3 filings. Many applicants are now on H-1BS with pending I-140s, waiting 10+ years just to file I-485. What can you do if you're waiting? Even if your priority date isn't current, here's what you should be doing right now. 1. Prepare your documents early. Start gathering birth certificates, translations, affidavit of support if needed, medical exam records. This helps you file fast the moment your date becomes current. 2. Monitor EB-1 eligibility. If you've advanced in your role, moved into leadership, or published research, consult an attorney to check if you qualify for EB-1, which has shorter queues. 3. Consider concurrent filing if eligible. If you're current in both final action and filing dates, you may be able to file I-140 and I-485 together, shaving months off your timeline. 4. Stay on top of visa bulletins. Check the bulletin every month at travel.state.gov. Even a 15-day movement can mean everything. Any hope for movement in 2025? Here's the reality. We may not see major EB-2/EB-3 movement until Q4, August SEP, if there are unused family-based visas that roll over. Consulates remain under pressure to clear pandemic backlogs. There's a possibility of small forward jumps, but no jump to current expected this year. Final thoughts. The May 2025 employment-based update tells us the same story we've heard for over a year. India and China are still stuck. A row remains mostly current, and high-skilled workers are left in long H-1B limbo. But the key is to stay prepared, stay informed, and consider alternate pathways if you qualify. We'll keep tracking every month so you don't have to guess. If this breakdown helped clarify where your green card case stands, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for future updates. In our next video, we'll talk about the DV Lottery 2025 cutoff predictions and what May's Visa Bulletin tells us about the final months ahead. This is BorderDrip USA. Thanks for watching.